Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways which we can use in order to block a number. The first one is using the contact list, so you can block a number which we've got currently saved, and another one which will allow you to actually enter the number and block it. So obviously I will show you both options. So let's begin with the contact list. Let's tap on the dialer and go to your contacts, and here let's find the contact you would like to block and tap on it. Now we have to choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Right now your device will ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it, and I don't want to report it as a spam, so I will untick this option, and if you are ready, just tap on block. As you can see right now this number is blocked, so as I said, you won't receive any calls and messages. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping here and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back and let me show you the second way. And it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three dots icon and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here we've got the blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contact list. As I said, here we can also add a number manually, so just tap on add a number, and here we can just enter the number we want to block and tap on block, and as you can see it immediately appears on the blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course you can unblock both numbers just by tapping on this X button and tapping on unblock right next to it. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.